Today is the moment. Family arrive. Today, I'm become the luckiest man in this world, simply because I have you on my side. I promise you, for love you forever. Je t'aime beaucoup. Malekita forever.
I vow to love you with all my heart and to be with you through thick and thin. I promise to always be there for you and support you in all your dreams. You are my everything, and I can forever grateful for the love, happiness you bring to my life. I love you so much, babe. Excited na.
Excited na, nervous.
Oo. Super.
I pray that you will bless them as they go into their new journey of life. They will enjoy one another. Be with them.
Maano kasi siya, sobrang bait. Tapos yung alam mo yung pareho kami ng likes or tapos pareho kami ng gusto, mga ganun.
Who are shouting together, they are not staying together, they will not go. The other one is